Good morning, students. We were discussing chapter number 3, Noun and its cases. I hope that you had already understood what is a nominative case. Yes, what is a nominative case? Nominative case, a noun or pronoun used as a subject of the verb is known as a nominative or subjective case. That means in that what is their pronouns, nominative answers the question who and what, that I already discussed, you understood that. Then we had discussed objective case, a noun or pronoun used as the object of the verb is known as objective or accusative case. That answers the question, a noun or pronoun used after preposition must be accusative case object. Normally this answers to what question? Normally whom or what. The accusative answers the questions. Accusative is known as objective also, okay? Whom or what, that we had already discussed. Now the last one is, according to your textbook, the last one is possessive case. What is a possessive case? A noun with apostrophe and s or a pronoun which indicates possession is known as a possessive or genitive case. This is also known as a genitive case. Once more listen. A noun with apostrophe and s, bracket s, or a pronoun which indicates possession is known as possessive or a genitive case. For example, listen. This is Rahul's house. Rahul, apostrophe s, Rahul's. Whose house? Answer the whose is this? Whose house is this? Raju's house. Note, listen to this. The possessive answers the question whose. Understood? The possessive answers the question whose, WHOSE. Now listen. Pronouns in the possessive case, my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. These are the normal pronouns used in a possessive case. Ravi's pencil. In your textbook you see Ravi's pencil. Whose pencil is broken? Ravi's pencil is broken. So understood. So possession or ownership, in this sentence we could see that sentences show, these sentences are showing possession and ownership. Okay. Now come to formation of nouns. So different nouns, how we can use nouns can be formed from adjective or verb. Some of the example is given there. For example, amusing, amusing scene, like adjective we can say. Amusing, amusement. Amusement is a noun. Clear, clear water, clear question, like clarity. Wise, wisdom. Complex, complexity. Add, addition. Able, ability. This is a noun which is formed from adjective or a verb. So some of it is easy to understand also. For example, you see D, exercise number D, it is given properly. For example, one or two examples first example you see, dash is inevitable for all. Die, here die is given. Now what is the noun of that die? Death. See the difference? Death is inevitable for all. See the difference? Understood? Death is inevitable. One more question. The dash of the jury is final. Decide. It is a verb. Decide. I decide myself. I decide what is to happen at my home. Decide. Then what is the noun of that? Decision. The decision of the jury is final. See, this is how a noun is formed. So, these are the simple exercises given. You can easily do that. For one more I am going to do. Follow the teacher's dash carefully. Instruct. Teacher instruct the students. Instructed the students. That is a verb. So, what is that? Follow the teacher's instruction carefully. Instructions carefully. Understood? This is how we can make a noun. Please do the exercises in the copy. Okay. Thank you so much.